Do you know what happens when you perform even one act of kindness? The power of kindness. Kindness is one of the most beautiful qualities of the human heart. It is deeply rooted in compassion, generosity, empathy, and sincerity. Every act of kindness, no matter how small, has the power to brighten someone's life while enriching our own. When we help a person in need, offer support during difficult times, or simply speak words of encouragement, we are doing far more than completing a good deed. We are giving hope, restoring strength, and reminding someone that they are not alone. At the same time, kindness fills our own hearts with peace, joy, and purpose. Kindness is also the foundation of a healthy and united society. Communities flourish when people treat one another with respect, understanding, and generosity. Trust grows stronger, relationships become deeper, and harmony replaces conflict. On the other hand, when indifference and selfishness take over, division and misunderstanding begin to spread. Perhaps the most remarkable thing about kindness is that it never stops with one person. Every good deed inspires another. One helping hand encourages another hand to reach out. One compassionate heart awakens compassion in many others. Like ripples across the surface of a quiet lake, kindness travels farther than we can ever imagine. The more seeds of kindness we plant today, the brighter tomorrow becomes. Every smile, every generous act, every word of encouragement helps build a world where people feel valued, respected, and loved. In the end, kindness is not measured by the size of the action, but by the sincerity behind it. Even the smallest act of kindness can change someone's day, restore someone's hope, or even transform someone's life. Let us choose kindness every day. Because when we make kindness a way of life, we don't just change ourselves, we change the world.